What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear's Apple Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. Are you ready to try the tenderest, most juiciest brisket you've ever had? Follow me on this journey because it's a beautiful day for a brisket. Let's do this. What up, what up, what up, what up? What is up, everybody? We have ourselves a USDA prime beef 17.5 pound brisket here. Super pumped. We're gonna unwrap it, gonna trim it, and we're gonna smoke it. Let's do this. All right, so we got it trimmed up. Added a little Worcestershire and some beef broth, and just spread it across it. I'm just gonna use that so that the seasoning sticks on it. So now we're gonna season with, of course, Lane's brisket seasoning, the best. Let's go. It's on. It's smoking. Let's cover. Got a little piece of the flat over here that my kids love, so I'm gonna kind of cook that separately. Let's smoke away. So I'm gonna try something a little different today. As you can see, I actually put my brisket in foil, or not in foil, but in a foil container covered with foil. Now normally I do butcher paper, but I want to try this out. Stick this in there. Let's do it this way. There we go. Cool. All right. Threw a little tallow on top as well, just to keep it moist and awesome. On this one, I just wrapped in foil, but this one I'm really interested in. So let's see. I also want to throw a huge shout out to, boom, Yeti. I'm so pumped for my new meat cooler. So thank you for making and sending this amazing product. Boom, Bear's Apple Yeti. Let's do this. All right, pulled at 203. Take a look at that. She is so tender. Oh my gosh, she's like hot, but super tender. She's dancing. All right, we're gonna wrap this. We're gonna keep it wrapped for probably, somewhere around 6 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours. I don't know, we'll see. And then we're gonna slice into it. I am so pumped. All right, so we just finished it from rest. Look at this. It is just so juicy. Oh my gosh. Let's flip this one over for you. I mean, this thing is just sopping. Whew. It smells so good. It smells so good. All right. Now let's just cut like a little thin piece. So I want to save some of this for tomorrow. Most of this for tomorrow, rather. Look at that. Man, oh man. Yeah, that's amazing. Yep. Ooh, baby. That's good. That's a win. Big win.